So, it's a trick-or-treat party ng mga kids sa McDonald's. Collaboration ng McDonald's and Pandayan Bookstore. So, binihisa na sila ni Mama. Ito na yung mga candidates. Who are you?
I am a unicorn, but I'm supposed to be a witch.
So, you're a unicorn witch? Or a witchy unicorn?
I don't know.
With the horn?
Yeah.
Okay. So, outfit. Nice. Go, next. Okay. You're a bat. Like, where's your wings? Where's your wings? Oh my goodness. Who are you? Gecko. Alright. Where's the little girl? Okay, little girl, who are you? And who are you supposed to be? Is that a bat? No. Is that a lizard? Is that a fish? And then who are you? Alright. Hello? And who are you?
I'm disgusting.
You're disgusting! No, you're disgust. Yawa.
Yes.
Who are you?
I am. Goes out.
Oh, who are you?
No one.
You're no one! The scary no one!
How about you?
Okay, ito na sila. The Frogman!
Why am I so white?
Girls, we're here!
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Don't siya.
And for the second one, we have our
I know something.
officers and they are so much happy. So that's why we stand as Salvation in the Philippines para gunitain yung mga loved ones natin na hindi na natin kasama now, okay? So ngayon, kids, are you ready para magtakutan at tawanan dito sa Pandayan? Naku, sa mga lakas, ready na ba?
Yeah.
Naku, sa lahat ng bata sa Guardian, ready na ba? And last one, ready na ba? Ay, so this time, ibibigay ko na kay Kuya Rose yung ating mic kasi siya yung
Oh, you have a tail. Where's your tail? How about you? You have wings?
Yeah.
You, where's your tail? Hey.
A few moments later.
Ay, si Gagawin Boy! Parang galit na galit yung ba? Parang yung galit ko kay Papa at kay Mama dito kay Lalaga. Wow! Pero ito yung pinimakat, 4 na piraso. Ay, ang cute! Tomato. Ay, hindi mo malayo. Sorry! Wala ko ba? Tatay ng pinis mo, laki na lang yung Sammy. Sammy?
What are you doing?
Parang nabusog na. Ang laki na lang kayo, Sammy. Yan, bago sa'yo naman mo.
Who's that? Who's that?
Oo, baby. Pero hindi ko tayo ko yung natin mga ginagawa ng mga bata. Ano kayo ginagawa ni Sentence? Siya po siya. Oh.